Good morning all. In this tutorial, I am going to explain you the Salesforce platform. So let us see with the introduction. Salesforce Force.com platform is the first platform as a service and enabling developers to create and deliver any kind of business application entirely on demand and without software. This platform also includes easy-to-use point-and-click customization tools to help you create solutions for your unique business requirements without any programming experience. So let us start with know about the Salesforce. Salesforce is the world's first and most popular CRM system, headquartered that is in San Francisco, with more than 82,000 companies and 1 lakh customers rely on this dynamic web-based low-cost customer relationship management platform. It was founded in March 99 by former Oracle executive Mark Benioff. Salesforce. So Salesforce.com has its services translated into 16 different languages and currently has 82,400 regular customers and over 2 million subscribers. Okay, so let us start with the directly what are the benefits we can find in the Salesforce. It is low cost, low risk, cloud-based solution, software service to buy. Complete solution includes feature-rich solution for marketing, sales, service, partner management, and community management. So let us discuss with what are the general steps for building Salesforce.com. First step is creating application description. So we are creating warehouse application in Salesforce.com. So these are some guidelines. I can highlight how to create objects. So basically in the creating a warehouse app, we are going to create a warehouse app along with the object. That object will keep the track of all the elements of a particular, for example, I took merchandise object. So in that merchandise object, including the field as a name, description, price, and so on. On the Force.com platform, the data object we are going to include, we can call as a custom object. Right. So object comes with the standard fields and let us see, these are the following steps to create a warehouse application. Step 1 is, first step is launching your browser and go to this Salesforce.com. After that, enter your username and password. So let us start with directly the demonstration. I will just give you the demonstration. This is your Salesforce Classic platform, that is the platform as a service. So how to create a warehouse app? Click on the setup. Go to the left panel. In the build, click on the create. Click on the app. Let us start with the quick start. So here you can assign the name as you want. Here I am going to create a warehouse name of the app. So you can write warehouse. Here you can write the name of object, that is a merchandise. Plural also, merchandise. If you want, you can start with the vowel sound and create. So this is the way we can create a warehouse app. If you want, you take a tour of this app, otherwise you can end this. So you just click on the continue and end to, right. So this is the way we created the app name, that is a warehouse, and object name is merchandise. So how to add various fields, because I earlier mentioned in the merchandise item, merchandise object, we are going to create description, price, these two fields. So let us start with the setup. Setup, again you go to the left panel, create object. So we already created object, so I am just going to click on this object, merchandise. So here we wanted to add some field using custom fields and relationships. So here click on the new. So here you can select. Generally what happened in our traditional practices, we are first adding the name of field, after that we are putting the data type. But in that Salesforce platform, it is quite different. So you have to select the first, that is the data type text area. You can add the name of field. So you can add the name of field, that is the description. Here the field name description. Here you want to write the description. There is a description, field description of the merchandise item or field. After that you click on the required and next. Click on the next. After that click on the next. Save and new, because we wanted to add one more field, that is the price. So here for that price I am taking the data type as a currency. So first you have to select the currency. Next, here you can write the field name, that is the price. Okay, you have to write the length 16 and decimal. So if you want this price field, for merchandise item, you can put like that description. Click on the always require and next. So by default you can allow. Again I wanted to add one more field, save and new. Okay, so here we are putting another data, total inventory. So you just take a data type, that is a number. Here it is number, it is showing. Next. Right. So here you can write total inventory, that is the field of name. So no need to write the decimal places and always require. You just click on this and next. Okay, so this is the way we added the field in that. Next and save. Here we are click on the save, because we added the 3 fields, right? So here it is showing the details fields whatever we added. See here it is showing the name of owner also, right? So these are the fields. You can see the fields, description, price and total inventory, and custom fields and relationships. So now how to insert the data in that particular field. So how to create a merchandise record. So click on the setup field. click on the Merchandise tab and click on New. Here I am going to put the data, that is the Kingfisher. In that description, large plane, price is like $10.77, and total inventory just I am putting here 1000. Save and new. I am adding one more record, that is the Jet Airways. After that, large plane, you can just put a description 9.77, right, save. So this is the way we can create an ad. We can add a field, right? So this is the way we can create and we can add this. So in this way, the first tutorial we found how to create warehouse app using Salesforce.com. Thank you.